Okay. This chapter is going to be over polygons. Does it? Sit down. Polygon. Sure. Okay. Oh, no. Okay, so we're going to be talking about polygons today. It's going to be really important to have this first part written down. A polygon, okay, we've just talked about triangles, which is a polygon, but a polygon is a closed figure with 3 or more sides. Okay, this is what a polygon is. Get your notes out. No, I don't think you're going to write your notes on that. Well, are you? Okay, so a polygon is going to be any type of shape that's a closed figure with 3 or more sides. Okay, we do need to know some of the names to these. So it's going to be really important to learn the names of these. Because I said so. All right, so it's probably good to know the names of these shapes that I'm going to give you. Okay? Oops, that's not supposed to be an M. Yeah. So the number of sides and then the name of the polygon. Now, who knows what's a 3-sided shape called? Yeah, triangle. So that's what we're going to do right here. What's a 4-sided shape? No.
A quadrilateral.
It's a quadrilateral. I can't spell. There we go. Okay, it's important that you know a 4-sided shape is a quadrilateral because there's multiple types of 4-sided shapes. Close it, Colton. What about 5-sided shape? You need to write this down, like I said. Anyone know what a 5-sided shape is? It's a pentagon. Okay, I'm going to move up a little bit so we can get all these down. Now, what about a 6-sided shape? This is a hexagon. There you go. 7? No, but you're close. No, it does not start with an S. It starts with an H. Someone said it. I know, that's why I said someone said it. Heptagon. I'm going to redo that G. Heptagon. We should all know what an 8-sided shape is. No. It's an octagon. Not.
It wasn't me.
Yeah, I do not want to hear that again. Ever again. 9-sided shape. No. No. This is a nonagon.
This is not real. A decagon.
Yeah, 10 is decagon. Write 11, but we're skipping that.
Why can't we write it down?
Because I said so. What about 12? An octagon is a stop sign. What's this one? Someone just said it. Dodecagon. Now, these are the names you need to know, okay? But have you noticed, okay, we do have 11 blank and 13 blank, okay? Other than the ones that we named right here, 11 and then 13 and any more sides than 13, we're just going to put the number and then put dash gone. So it's 11 gone.
Is there a name
13, gone. If we put 27, what is it going to be? 27, gone. Okay, you need to have all these written down. Not necessarily 17, or not 17, 27. But that's fine. So that way you just know. Anytime it's 13 or over, it's dash gone with that number. And then 11 is 11 gone. There's a name for all those shapes, but it's not, you don't need to know them. But you do need to know these. Okay? You do need to know these next week. Alright? Do we all have it written down? Okay, you do need to know these next week. Just saying. I don't know. I never said anything. Okay, so there's also a couple words that we need to learn. Okay, hey, let's bring it back together. What's going to be the name of this shape right here on the left? Yeah, this can be hexagon because it has how many sides? 6 sides. How many sides does this one have? It's got 9 sides. So it's a nonagon. Okay? So you're going to see shapes like the first one. You're going to see shapes like the second one. Now, there's a couple words that we need to know. Let's say we go back to, or what's this shape? This is a pentagon. Now, let's say that I have all the sides marked. What does that mark mean? They're congruent. Whenever you have that all the sides are congruent, it's equilateral. Okay? Now, let's say we have, what shape is this? It's a quadrilateral. Well, it looks like a square, yes. But does it have 90-degree sides? No. There's no boxes. Now, yeah. Well, for a square it does. Okay, but let's just say, I'm going to redo that. Let's say for this case, huh? You need to know these words. Let's say all the angles are congruent. Okay? If all the sides are congruent, it's equilateral. If all the angles are congruent, it's equiangular. How do you spell this one? Oops. I don't think you need the I. Yeah, equiangular. Equiangular, whatever's easiest. What do we notice about this one? Oops. The angles and sides are what? Yeah, the sides are equal, or they're congruent, and the angles are congruent. If it's both, the angles and the sides, then it is a regular polygon. Okay, so it's a regular polygon if all the sides and all the angles are congruent. So eventually when we start solving for the interior angles of polygons, it'll be important to know what a regular means. But that just means they're all congruent. Okay? There's just 2 other words we're learning. And then that's it. No. You have these. Yes. Okay, so let's say we have this shape right here. Okay, and I marked the sides. Okay, if I mark the sides like that, what do we know about it? It's an equilateral. Okay, but this time we're going to focus on the angles this time. Okay, if one angle is pushed in, okay, do you see how we have this angle right here? Okay, do you see how big the angle is? Okay, this angle, it's pushed in, meaning it's greater than 180 degrees. Okay, the interior angle, that one angle is greater than 180 degrees. Okay, if there's at least one angle that's greater than 180 degrees, this is called concave. Okay, concave. If one angle, I'm going to say at least one pushed in, okay, at least one angle is pushed in, and that angle is greater than 180 degrees, it is concave. I know, it's not the best drawing. Okay, this one, do we have any angles that are concave? No, a diamond has four sides. All the angles are pushed out on this one. Okay, so all angles pushed out. No, no, no angle is greater than 180. Okay, this is called convex. So convex is if all the angles are pushed out. Okay, concave is if there's at least one angle that's pushed in, it's greater than 180. Okay. Now I wanted to make today easy. This is all you need to know. Okay. And I definitely think I spelled equiangular wrong, so I'm sorry about that. But you'll be able to figure out what word that is. All you have to do is identify the names of the shapes, the names of the polygons, if it's concave, convex, or if it's equilateral, equiangular, or if it's regular. Okay? It's really important. Keep your notes out because you have all the names of the shapes. It's really important to know the names of the polygons. Okay? All right. So make sure you learn those names because you need to know them.